Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to create your instant WhatsApp movie booking chatbot. So I run a cinema and want my customers to book movie tickets and get show timings by WhatsApp automatically. So for that we are going to build a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow, and this chatbot is going to save my time by reducing manual workload. So firstly in this video we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if a user will send a message, an automatic reply will be sent to them. So if you also want to build this chatbot, then let me take you towards my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video I am going to show you how you can create your own instant WhatsApp booking chatbot. So right before you on my screen you can see this is the flow I have created for creating the chatbot, and by the help of this chatbot your customer can book movie shows anytime and anywhere. So now I am going to show you how you can create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot by just using Pabbly Chatflow. But before that I am going to show you the real working of this automation or this chatbot. So for that let's move on to my WhatsApp with me. So here you can see I have already opened my WhatsApp, and now I am going to send a message to the number which I have already connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account, and here this number is saved as my test number. So here I am going to enter a message that is movie ticket. So these both words are my keywords. So now you might be thinking what is this keyword? So I will be providing you the answer while creating the WhatsApp chatbot. So now let's enter this message. So here you can see as I have entered this message I am getting a welcome message with the list, and this welcome message that is, hey there, welcome to Cinema Guide. I can help you find movies and show time. And here you can see we are getting a message in the footer which says select a movie to see show times, and now I am going to open this list and see the movies. So here you can see I'm getting the option for 2 movies. So now I'm going to select this first movie, that is the Marvel, and as I have selected this movie I'm getting a message consisting of the list of the show time. So now let's open this list and see the show timings. So here you can see I'm getting 2 show timings. So I'm going to select this first show timing, and as I have selected it I'm getting a confirmation message which says you have selected movie, and afterwards I am getting the same movie which I have recently selected over my WhatsApp chatbot, and afterwards I am getting the show timing which I have recently selected over my WhatsApp. So here you can see I'm getting personalized message. So you can also send personalized message by using Pabbly Chatflow to your customers, and afterwards we are getting a message which says confirm your booking details to proceed, and here we are getting 3 buttons, that is confirm booking, change timing and back to movies. So now I am going to select the second button, that is change time, and as I have selected it again I am getting the list for selecting my show timings. So now let's open this list, and now I am going to select this another show timing, that is for the 1 p.m. and as I have selected it again I am getting my booking confirmation message with the same movie which I have recently entered and another show timing which I have recently selected. Now I am going to select this first button, that is confirm booking, and as I have selected it I am getting a message which is asking me to enter my full name. So now I am going to enter my full name as testing user. So here you can see I have entered my name, and after entering my full name I am getting a message which is asking me to enter the number of tickets. So now I am going to enter the number of ticket as 2, and as I have provided it I am getting a confirmation message which says your booking is confirmed. Enjoy your movie experience with Cinema Guide. So here you can see our WhatsApp chatbot is successfully booking movie tickets. So you can also create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own cinema by just using Pabbly Chatflow. And for accessing the Pabbly Chatflow you just have to type its URL over the new tab, that is pabbly.com/chatflow, and once you will enter the URL you will be getting the landing page of Pabbly, and here you can see we are getting 2 options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user you can simply click over the sign up free, and if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow you get 100 free credits every month for practicing the chatbot. And if you already have an existing account you can simply click over the sign in. But before moving on forward I am going to tell you about Pabbly community. So here you can see this is the page of Pabbly community where automation users, marketers and business owner gather to share their ideas, ask questions and get relevant update regarding using the Pabbly applications. So you can also join Pabbly community now and grow your business with us, and if you wish to join the Pabbly community you can find link in the description given below. Now let's move on to the Pabbly Chatflow again, and here I am going to simply click over this sign in as I already have an account on Pabbly Chatflow. And once you finish your sign up you will be getting this all Pabbly apps page, and here you can see we are getting the products provided by Pabbly. You can access any of these products, and as we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot, for that we have to access this Pabbly chat flow. So now let's click over this access now button and we will be landed to the dashboard page of Pabbly chat flow, which can be seen here. And here on this dashboard page you can see these are the numbers I have connected to my account. So you can also add your WhatsApp number by just clicking on this add WhatsApp number button, and here you can see we are getting two options, that is WhatsApp connect and manual token connect. So if you want to integrate your WhatsApp number, you can simply click over this WhatsApp connect, and if you want to connect with token number, you can simply click over this manual token connect. So if you want to learn more about this process of adding WhatsApp number to the Pabbly Chatflow account, you can find video link in the description given below. Now moving on to the sidebar, you can see these are the features provided by Pabbly. And as we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot, for that we firstly have to create a flow. So for that you simply have to click over the flows given on the sidebar, and if you want to learn more about these features, you can find video link in the description given below. Now let's click over this flows given here, and as you will click over the flows, you will be landed to the flow builder page, and here you can see these are the flows created by me. So you can also create your own flow. So for that you simply have to click over this add flow button, and you will be landed to the flow page where you can see we are getting the option for entering the flow names. So now let's provide a name to our flow here. So here I have provided it the name your instant WhatsApp movie booking chatbot, and you can provide name according to you, and afterwards we are getting the option for trigger. So trigger is basically the action which is going to initiate your chatbot, and on this trigger we are getting many trigger events such as keyword rejects match, user starts conversation, template selected, and many more. But here I am going to keep it as the same, that is keyword rejects match. Now you might be wondering what is this keyword and reject. So keywords are the words which initiate your chatbot. Now let's say I want to initiate my chatbot as soon as someone enters a message consisting of this word movie. So you just have to type it and press the enter key, and here our one keyword is ready. Now I am going to add one more keyword, that is ticket. So here you can see I have created two keywords. Now as soon as someone will enter a message consisting of these two keywords or either of any single keyword, my chatbot will be initiated, and afterwards we are getting the option for reject. So rejects is basically the short form for the regular expression. These are used for the specific user input, and if you want to trigger any message you can enter rejects like this, but here as I have already added my keyword, I will be removing this rejects from here. So here we are done with our trigger, and now I am going to send a welcome message to my customers with a list of movies they can select. So for that I am going to create a list message. So for that you simply have to drag and drop, and here you can see we are getting the option for list. So you just have to select it, and you will be getting this list node where you can create your own list. And here on this list node it is asking me to enter header, body, and footer for the list. So now I am going to provide a body to my list with a welcome message. So here you can see in the body of my list I have entered a welcome message which says, hey there, welcome to Cinema Guide. I can help you find movies and showtimes. And here I have entered this first sentence between these asterisk signs to make it bold, and I have entered this another sentence between the underscore signs to convert the style of the text into italics, and afterwards I have provided a footer. And now I am going to create some items to this list. So for that you simply have to click over this add section, and here you have to enter the section titles. So here I am going to enter my section title as movies, and afterwards I am going to create a list of movies currently running. So for that you simply have to click over this add items, and here you have to enter the title of your first item. So now I am going to create the title of my first item or my first movie. So here you can see I have entered the first movie in my list, that is the Marvels, and afterwards I am going to add one more item to this list. So for that again you have to click over this add items, and here you have to enter the title of your second item or the second movie, that is Barbie. So here you can see I have created list of two movies, and you can add many more items to this list. And as soon as my user selects any of these items, I am going to save that response. So for saving that response you just have to go to actions, and here you can see we are getting the option for set custom field. So for saving the response you have to provide contact custom field to all these list items. So now you just have to drag this set custom field, and here you can see we are getting this contact custom field node where you can create contact custom field for all these list items. So now I am going to connect this first item, that is the Marvels, with this contact custom field node, and here it is asking me to select the contact custom field. So here you can see these are the contact custom fields I have created. So you can also create your own contact custom field. For that you simply have to go to settings, and here you can see we are getting the option for contact custom fields. So you just have to select it, and you will be landed to the contact custom fields page. But before that you have to save this flow so that you don't lose your data, and as you will select this contact custom fields you will will be landed to the contact custom fields page, which I have already opened. And here you can see these are the contact custom fields I have created. And if you want to create your own contact custom field, you simply have to click over this add more field button, and here you have to provide the field name, and afterwards you simply have to click over the save button, and your contact custom field will be created. But here, as I've already created my contact custom field, I will be selecting it over the Pabbly Chatflow. So here I am going to select my contact custom field as movie, which can be seen here, and afterwards it is asking me to enter the values. So here you have to enter the value for which you are going to create this contact custom field. So here I am going to create this contact custom field for this first item of my list or the first movie. So here I am going to enter this value, that is the Marvel. So here we have created the contact custom field for the first item of my list. Now I am going to do the same for the second item, where I am going to select my contact custom field as movie, and afterwards I am going to enter the value, that is Barbie. So here you can see I have created the contact custom field for my second item as well. Now as soon as my user selects any of these list item, after receiving the response, I am going to provide them show timing based on this movie. So for that, again you have to drag and drop and select list over here, and on this list node I am going to create the list of the movie timings or the show timings. So here you can see in this list node I have provided a body, that is $movie is showing today at, and here you can see this $movie is the contact custom field which we have recently created for all these list items. Now as soon as my user will select any of these list items, the response will be replaced in this message node, and we will be able to send personalized message to our customers or the client. And here you can see I have entered my footer text as well. Now I am going to add some items to this list consisting of the show timing. So here I am going to simply click over this add section, and again I am going to enter my section title as show timing. So here I have provided the section title, and afterwards I am going to add some items to this list. So for that you simply have to click over this add items, and here you have to enter the title of your first item. So now I am going to enter my first show timing over here. So here you can see I have created the first item of my list or the first show timing. Now I am going to add some more timing likewise, and here you can see I have created one more items to this list or one more show timing. And now as my user selects any of these show timing, I want to save that response. So I have already told you that for saving the response we have to use contact custom fields, because contact custom field help us to store extra information about our clients or the customers. So again I am going to add contact custom field for all these items. So just select this set custom field action, and here you can see I am getting this node. So now I am going to create contact custom field for both these show timings, and here you can see I have created the contact custom field for both these list items. And now as soon as my user selects any of these list items, after saving the response I am going to provide a message to my customers asking for the booking confirmation and providing their details. So now again you have to drag and drop and select text button over here, and in this text button node you can enter the message which you want to send to your customers. So here I am going to enter a message asking for the booking confirmation. So here you can see I have entered this message which says you have selected movie, where I have added the movie contact custom field, and afterwards I have entered the contact custom field, that is timing, which I have selected for the contact custom field where I am asking for the show timing. So here you can see in this way I am sending personalized message to my customers. Now I am going to add some buttons to this message. So for that you simply have to click over this add button, and here you have to enter the text of your first button. So now I am going to enter the text of my first button. So here you can see in this text button node I have created 3 buttons, that is confirm booking, change time and back to movies. So now as soon as my user select this first button, that is confirm booking, I am going to ask them some questions, and if my user select this second button, that is change timing, I am going to redirect them to the list where I am providing the show timings. Now if my user select this third button, that is back to movies, I am going to redirect them to the list of the movies I am providing. So for that I am going to connect this button with this list where I am providing the movies. And if my user select this first button, that is confirm booking, I am going to ask them some questions. So for that you simply have to go to actions, and here you can see we are getting the option for ask questions. So now let's drag it, and you will be getting this question action where you can enter the question which you want to ask from your customer. So here I am going to enter a question asking for the full name. So here you can see I have entered this question asking for the full name, and afterwards I am going to select my contact custom field as full name, which can be seen here, and afterwards I am going to select my format as any. Now if my user provide me answer of this question, I am going to ask them another question. So again you have to click over this ask question given on the action tab. So here you can see I have entered this another question asking for the number of tickets, and afterwards I am going to select my contact custom field as tickets, and afterwards I am going to select my format as any. So here we are done with our both questions. Now as soon as my user provide me answer of these both questions, I am going to provide them a booking confirmation message. So for that again you have to drag and drop and select text button over here, and in this text button note I am going to enter a confirmation message. So here you can see I have entered this booking confirmation message. So with this we are done with our creation of our flow. So you can also create a WhatsApp chatbot like this for your own cinema. So now I am going to save this flow. So for that you simply have to click over the save button, and here you can see we are receiving this pop-up which says flow updated successfully, means we have successfully saved our flow. Now for showing you how we are receiving message from our customers and how we are sending them the automated reply, let me take it towards my inbox section. For that you simply have to click over the inbox given on the sidebar, and as you will select the inbox given on the sidebar, you will be landed to the inbox page, and on this particular number, that is my contact, you can see I'm successfully receiving message from my customers and our automated replies are successfully sent or delivered to them. And one point is to be noticed that this is following the path which we have created through a flow, means if a user sends us a message, we are going to send them this welcome message with this list, and if my user selects any of the items or any of the movies from this list, we are going to provide them a list consisting of the show time. So here you can see our chatbot is working properly. So you can also create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot by just using Pabbly Chatflow, and if you want to practice this flow, you can find its link in the description given below, and you can also share the flow created by you. So for that you simply have to go to flows, and you will be landed to the flow builder page, and here you can see this is the flow I have recently created. So you just have to select these three dots, and here you can see we are getting the option for share flow. So you just have to select it, and you will be getting the share link. So you can share this link to your friends so that they can also know about this amazing automation tool that is Pabbly Chatflow, and they can also automate their all tasks. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow now, and stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly and creating many more amazing automation chatbots like this. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. So thank you for watching this video. So you can create many more chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. But if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Chatflow for free now.